Most beginner drivers are not actually scared of the road. They're scared of the people on it, the cars behind them, the drivers waiting at intersections, the person honking after 1 second. And without realizing it, that pressure changes the way they drive. You stop thinking clearly. You rush simple decisions. You turn too quickly, brake too suddenly, or panic because you think everyone is watching you. This is why many beginners feel calm while practicing alone, but nervous the moment traffic appears. Because driving is not just physical, it's social pressure. Your brain starts worrying about things like, what if I hold people up? What if I look stupid? What if I make everyone angry? And the moment those thoughts appear, your focus leaves the road. Now you're no longer driving naturally, you're performing, trying to satisfy every driver around you, and that creates panic. Because rushed driving is emotional driving. Experienced drivers understand something beginners usually don't. Most people on the road are not thinking about you nearly as much as you think. They're focused on themselves, their destination, their own problems. And the drivers who pressure you with horns and aggression, they disappear in seconds. But the mistake you make while panicking can stay with you forever. So how do you stop this fear? First, stop trying to impress traffic. You do not need to rush safe decisions just because someone behind you is impatient. Second, slow your thinking down before you speed your driving up. A calm decision made 1 second later is safer than a rushed mistake. And finally, remember this. Confident drivers are not the fastest drivers. They are the calmest. Because real control behind the wheel comes from ignoring pressure and trusting your own pace.